Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn subject maths, standard 8, topic 2, linear equation in one way. In last video we have already learned about exercise 2.1. Now here we have to learn some more examples, some simple application like word problem. Okay. Now here first example: what should be added to twice the rational number -7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. Now here question is that we have to find out answer. Which number we add and we get this 3 by 7. Now how we can solve this? Solution is that what is that? What should be added to twice? Twice the rational number. What is question? Twice the rational number. Means twice the rational number is -7 by 3 is twice, which multiply by 2. 2 multiply -7 by 3. Okay, so what is 2 7 ja 14 minus and minus 14 by 3. Okay, suppose x added to this number. Now we have to add x. Suppose x added to this number. So x plus minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. Okay, so plus minus minus x minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. Okay, now for x minus 14 by 3 is equal to 3 by 7. Now x is equal to 3 by 7 plus 14 by 3. Now this minus sign will be changed here. Okay, if we change LHS to RHS, the sign will be changed. If here plus, the minus will be there. Here minus, here plus will be there. Okay, so see here 3 by 7 plus 14 by 3. Okay, so here we have to take LCM of 7 and 3. Taking LCM of 7 and 3 is equal to 21. Okay, so x is equal to 3 by 7. Which number will multiply with 21 का 7 3 जा outside also multiply by 3. Okay, here 14 by 3, which number will multiply by 7, then we get 21. So 3 7 ja here 47 ja. Okay, 3 3 ja 9, 7 3 ja 21. 14 multiply 7 is 98 by 21. Okay, so 9 plus 98, so what is 107 by 21? So we can say 107 by 21 should be added to multiply in bracket -7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. Understood this sum? Okay. Okay, next question. Example number 2. The perimeter of a rectangle is 13 cm and its width is 2 integer 3 by 4 cm. Find its length. Here we have to find out the length of rectangle. Okay, here breadth given and perimeter given. We have to find out the length of the rectangle. Okay, suppose the length of the rectangle to be x centimeter. Okay, here not given, so we suppose the length of rectangle to be x centimeter. Okay, so now what is given perimeter of the rectangle? So the perimeter of the rectangle, so what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 in bracket l plus b. Okay, so 2 l x, okay, plus 2 integer 3 by 4. So 2 multiplies 2x plus 4 2 is 8 plus 3 11 by 4. Okay, so here perimeter already given. So perimeter how much given? 13 cm. So 2x plus 11 by 4 is equal to 30. Okay, see here now 2x we take it RHS. Okay, RHS to RHS means 2 divide. Okay, x plus 11 by 4 is equal to 13 by 2. Okay, so x is equal to 13 by 2. Then we take this plus sign here minus. If you change left hand side to right hand side, the sign will be changed. So minus 11 by 4. Okay. Now 2 and 4. We have to take LCM of 2 and 4. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? 4 LCM. Okay. So 13 by 2 minus 11 by 4. X is equal to 13 by 2. We multiply by 2, then we get 4. So 2 to the 4. Upside also 13 by multiply by 2. Okay. Now minus 11 by 4. 4 1 ja. Here also 1 ja. 11 1 ja. Okay. So 13 to the how much? 26. 2 to the 4. Minus 11 1 ja 11. 4 1 ja 4. 4. Okay. X is equal to 26 minus 11 by 4. So 26 minus 11 is equal to 15 by 4. Okay. Now we divide this 15 by 15 divided by 4. 4 to the 12. 5 minus 2 3. So 3 integer 3 by 4 centimeter. Okay. So the length of the rectangle is 3 integer 3 by 4 centimeter. Understood this example also? Okay. Okay, example number 3. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times of the present age of Sahil. Okay. After 5 years, their age will end to 66 years. Okay. Find their present age. Here we have to find out the present age of Sahil and his mother. Okay. So how we can solve this now? So first, suppose Sahil's present age be x years. Okay. Sahil's mother age be 3x. How 3x? Because 3 times more. Okay. 3 times more means 3x. Okay. Now age after 5 years. Clear na? Age after 5 years. Okay. After 5 years. Age after 5 years. So Sahil's age after 5 years means x plus 5. Sahil's mother age after 5 years 3x plus 5. Okay. So x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5. X plus 3x means 4x. 5 plus 5 10x. Now total how much is 66 years. Okay. So 4x plus 10 is equal to 66. Okay. So 4x 66 minus 10. If left hand side and going right hand side, so plus sign will be changed here minus. So 66 minus 10. Okay. 4x is equal to 56. Now 4 we take 4 in this RHS. So x is equal to 56 by 4. So 14 4 ja. So 4 4 but how much remaining? 14. X is equal to 14. So the age of the present age of Sahil is 14 years. So what is the age of Sahil? 14 years. Okay. Now his mother's age is 3 times. Means you have to multiply by 3. 3 multiply 14. So 42 years. Okay. Understood this sum? Okay. Next example, example number 4. Bansi has 3 times as many 2 rupees coins as he has 5 rupees coins. Okay, he has in all a sum of rupees 77. How many coins of each denomination does he have? Okay, here we have to find out the coins of 5 rupees and coins of 2 rupees. Okay, how much he has 2 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin. Okay, so suppose Bansi has bx coin of 5 rupees. Okay, Bansi has the 3 times x means 3x coins of 2 rupees. Okay, so 3x of 2 rupees coin. So total amount she has means 5 rupees coin how much? Rupees 5 multiply x is equal to 5x. Okay, 2 rupees coin 2 multiply 3x means 6x. Okay, total money he has 5x plus 6x. Okay, 5 plus 6 11x. Okay, so the sum, what is sum here? 77. Okay, sum of that 77. So here 11x is equal to 77. We have to find out the x. Okay, so x is equal to 77 divided by 11. Okay, x is equal to 11 7 ja here 11 cut. So what is x is equal to 7. So the number of 5 rupees coin x is equal to 7. Now the number of 2 rupees coin, so 3x is equal to 3 multiply 7. So 3 7 is 21. Understood this example also? Okay. Example number 5. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of the numbers is 2:5. What are two numbers? We have to find out the two numbers. Okay, here ratio given and difference also given. Okay, two whole numbers 66. We have to find out the difference between two whole numbers. Okay, now what is given? The ratio of two number is 2:5. Now one number is 2x and the other number is 5x. Okay, so the difference between numbers, so 5x minus 2x is equal to 66. Okay, 5x minus 2x is equal to 66. So 5 minus 2 3, 3x is equal to 66. So x is there, x is equal to 66 divided by 3. Okay, so x is equal to 22 3s are here 3 cut. X is equal to what? 22. So first number, one number is 2x. Okay, one number is 2x. So 2 multiply x is equal to 22. So 2 multiply 22 is 44. Okay, so other number is 5x. Okay, so 5x is equal to 22. 5 multiply 22 is 110. So we have to find out the difference. Okay, so difference is equal to 110 minus 44 is equal to 66. 66 will be there. Okay, here 110 minus 44, 110 minus 44, here 0, here 10, 10 minus 4 6, here 0, here 10 minus 4 6. So what is answer? 66. Okay, difference between two whole number is 66. Answer. Understood this example also? Okay. Okay, example number 6. Devasee has a total of rupees 590 as currency note in the denominations of rupees 50, rupees 20 and rupees 10. The ratio of the number of rupees 50 notes and rupees 20 notes is 3:5. If she has total of 25 notes, how many notes of each denomination she has? Okay, here we have to find out the number of notes of 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 10 rupees. Total 25 notes will be there. Okay, so here we have to find out the number of notes. Okay, suppose the number of rupees 50 and rupees 20 notes be 3x and 5x. Okay, so number of rupees 10 notes, so total 25 minus 3x plus 5x. Okay, plus minus 3 plus 5 8, so 25 minus 8x. Okay, the amount she has, what is amount she has? So 50 rupees note first, 50 rupees note 3x multiplied with 3 means 150x. 20 rupees note 5x multiplied 20, so 25 la 100, so 100 rupees 100x 10 notes. So 25 minus 8x multiplied by 10. So rupees 250 minus 80x. Okay. So total money C has. So total how much money C has? So 150x, 100x plus 250 minus 80x. Okay. So 150x plus 100x minus 80x plus 250. Okay. So 100 plus 150, 150 plus 100 is equal to 250x minus 80x plus 150. 250 minus 80, so 170x plus 250. But C has how much rupees? 590. Rupees 590. So 170x plus 250 is equal to 590. Okay. 170x is equal to 590 minus 250. Okay. 170x is equal to 590 minus 250 is equal to 340. So x is equal to 340 divided by 170. Okay. So 17 0 cut, 17 to the 14. Sorry, 7 to the 34. So 70 cut. So what is the remaining only 2. X is equal to 2. So number of 50 rupees note. How much? Number of 50 rupees note 3x. So 3 and x is equal to how much? 2. So 3 multiplied 2. So 6. 50 rupees 6 note. Okay. Number of 20 rupees note. 20 rupees note 5x. Okay. So 5x is equal to 2. So 5 multiply 2. So 5 is the 10. So number of 10 rupees note. So 25 minus 8x. Okay. So here 25 minus 8x. X means 2. So 8 2 is okay. 25 minus 8 is 16. 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. Okay. So number of 50 rupees note 6. Number of 20 rupees note 10 and number of 10 rupees note 9. So total 590 will be there. Okay, understood this all example. Okay, you have to do exercise 2.2. Okay, thank you.